Tonight, a couple concerned about the safety of other children is talking about the former preschool teacher accused of molesting their child.
Now, their daughter was just 3 years old at the time, and the parents say it could have been prevented. Call 6 Chief Investigator Rafael Sanchez joins us now with a story you will see only on RTV6.
Erica and Jason, this faith-based child care center, by all accounts, is among the best in the state. But one couple felt betrayed, unaware that their daughter's teacher was being investigated for fondling another child, and the teacher kept working with children.
Andrew Seal told police he became turned on around young kids. This parent, who asked us not to identify him, had no idea about that and will never forget the day his wife called him.
She was told just at the grocery store. They were pushing a cart, and she said, "Hey, Mommy, you know, Mr. Andy's been touching me at school."
Their daughter, 3 years old at the time, attended the Daystar Child Care Center in Indianapolis. She was victimized in August 2016. Though Seal had been accused of inappropriately touching another girl at the center in May, Seal was the focus of a state investigation. The mother of the 5-year-old victim was told the daycare changed policies and would never allow any adult alone in the room with the door shut. Seal was never fired, and parents were never made aware of the May incident.
I could have chosen to remove my daughter if I knew half of the things that I knew. Instead, they made that choice for me, so, you know, it could have potentially been avoided.
Court documents reveal that Seal allegedly molested the 3-year-old girl during nap time, when the other teacher was on her lunch break.
There was just a huge cover-up, and it was extremely disappointing.
And what happened at Daystar 7 months ago requires constant conversations, with a child asking questions beyond her years.
I never discourage her from talking about anything. If anyone touches you there or something just doesn't feel right, you have the right to say no or yell or scream, you know, even if you feel confused or you don't understand.
Seal has a court date in Marion County on the 27th of this month. No trial date has been set on this case. The parents of the 3-year-old, who's now 4, say this has been a very difficult situation for their family.
So why didn't the facility disclose the earlier accusations to parents?
Well, as you can imagine, this is a very sensitive issue. The employee has rights. The child involved has rights. But the attorney for the couple, who's representing the couple right now, says that Daystar should at the very least remove that employee during the May investigation.
They took a predator from the 5-year-old age group to a 3-year-old, and they just didn't have a chance to verbalize. These kids couldn't say what happened until what mom and dad found out. I'm very proud of my clients who are really doing this to try to help other kids stay safe so it doesn't happen to another child.
We did reach out to Daystar asking them for an interview. They released this statement to Call 6 Investigates. They went on to say, because Daystar cares deeply about each child in our care, we endeavor to be diligent in protecting our children. Daystar is taking this matter very seriously and is therefore cooperating with authorities. Because the investigation is ongoing, it would not be appropriate to comment or give any interview at this time. A story that will continue to follow here for Call 6 Investigates.
All right. Thank you, Rafael.